BJP General Secretary and Rajasthan BJP MLA has made this statement, which translated in English means Congress President Shri Mallikarjun Kharge is now 80 years old and God can just take him away any time. BJP leaders' hatred for the tallest scheduled caste leader in recent history of Karnataka. BJP leaders' hatred at the instance of Prime Minister Modi to abuse the tallest son of soil of Karnataka, who after having been born in a labourer family has risen from the ranks of a bloc president to be the President of Indian National Congress, is disgusting, is filthy, is nauseating, and is unacceptable and reprehensible. People of Karnataka, perhaps Modi ji does not know, across party lines, call the Congress President Shri Mallikarjun Kharge as, and please correct my Kannada, for I am still in the learning process, Dinesh ji, as Solilada Sardara. Correct. A warrior who knows no defeat. And they are wishing death for Shri Mallikarjun Kharge. We take strong objection to the fact, Mr. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that just because you hate Mallikarjun Kharge ji, just because Basavaraj Bommai ji is said to be defeated to below 40 seats, just because you have lost the narrative, just because people of Karnataka have rejected you, just because you cannot find an answer to 40% commission, just because Prime Minister and BJP have lost the plot, just because they have no answer to the job scam, you wish death to Shri Mallikarjun Kharge? Is that the low level of politics that BJP is going to stoop to now? That they unleash their MLAs, they unleash the BJP General Secretaries to wish death for Shri Mallikarjun Kharge? We want to ask Prime Minister Modi, Modi ji, you are here in Karnataka today and your MLA and General Secretary are wishing death for Shri Mallikarjun Kharge. Why are you silent? Why are you not taking action against BJP General Secretary and BJP MLA who is now wishing death for Shri Mallikarjun Kharge? Are your MLAs and General Secretaries abusing Shri Mallikarjun Kharge and now wishing death to him in order to please Modi ji? In order to ensure that the abuse that Modi ji continues to hurl are now multiplied multiple times. Why has the BJP and its leadership made a habit of abusing the Congress leadership, or a profession of abusing the Congress leadership? Be it Shrimati Sonia Gandhi ji, Mallikarjun Kharge ji, be it Shrimati Priyanka Gandhi ji, be it Shri Siddaramaiah and Shri D.K. Shivkumar ji and multiple other leaders. Why are you making a profession out of abuses? We ask you, Mr. Prime Minister. Mr. Prime Minister, do you not remember that your favorite minister in Karnataka, Shri Ashwath Narayan, only 2.5 months back in a rally in Mandya, proceeded to call for murder of Shri Siddaramaiah. Not death, murder of Shri Siddaramaiah. Did you take any action against him? Did you apologize to all Kannadigas? You are today insulting the tallest scheduled caste leader. Your leader called for the murder of the tallest backward class leader in recent history in Karnataka. You have committed 2 sacrilege in 3 months. Modi ji, all that you do, go and say everywhere, they have abused me 91 times, 92 times. Are you only going to be a crybaby, Mr. Prime Minister? Or are you going to ever talk about the cries for help and cries for justice against the 40% commission BJP Sarkara of the over 6.5 crore our brothers and sisters of Karnataka, our Kannadiga brothers and sisters? The truth is, Bharatiya Janata Party has unleashed a sustained campaign to hurt the Kannada Swabhimana, to trample upon the Kannada culture and language, and to finish Kannada institutions. I will ask, we have a full plan in our manifesto. I will ask my colleague Mr. Pawan Kheda to tomorrow list out all of them, as also Babuji, as also Dinesh, as to how do we propose to revive Kannada culture. We have full plan. Unfortunately, nobody read it. But we will tomorrow say that. But I want to say that there is a designed campaign by Bharatiya Janata Party to trample upon Kannada Swabhimana, to tarnish Kannada culture and language, and to subjugate the pride of over 6.5 crore Kannadigas, brothers and sisters. And there are 7 recent examples thereof. Number 1, Shri Amit Shah comes and openly declares from the stage that the pride of Karnataka Milk Federation and Nandani would be merged with Amul from Gujarat. Number 2, Union BJP government merges Karnataka's pride Vijaya Bank with Gujarat-based Bank of Baroda. Number 3, Union central government, Mr. Modi and Mr. Amit Shah, who are in charge, they prevent our children of Karnataka from taking CRPF exam in Kannada language. Number 4, BJP Shiv Sena government of Maharashtra openly, brazenly violates the territorial integrity of Karnataka and extends Maharashtra scheme to 865 villages of Karnataka and allocates 54 crore rupees of Maharashtra for distribution here, so that the state can be partitioned and hived off. BJP is trying to partition Karnataka. Yeah. BJP Shiv Sena government of Maharashtra extends Maharashtra schemes to 865 villages of Karnataka and allocates 54 crore rupees from Maharashtra government for distribution in villages of Karnataka. Idea is to, post this election, divide Karnataka into multiple pieces. The BJP government of Goa opposes and challenges the rights of Karnataka in Mahadevi river waters openly, brazenly. Modi government refuses to release 8,000 crore of GST dues which Kannadigas have paid back to the government of Karnataka. And on top of it, Amit Shah ji dares to say, hand over Karnataka to Mr. Modi, as if there is no Kannadiga who can rule Karnataka. There is no leadership left in Karnataka. So on May 10, people will give a befitting reply and befitting answer to the insults to honor of Karnataka, Swabhimana of Karnataka, culture and language of Karnataka, and the pride of its people. And this will go down in the history. First, Ashwath Narayan threatens to, openly declares that Mr. Siddharamaiah, the tallest backward class leader, should be killed in a public rally. which he also admitted on floor of the assembly. And now, BJP General Secretary and BJP MLA wishes death, early death for AICC President Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji. People will not pardon you, and we demand answer for Prime Minister Modi. Instead of talking about rhetoric, tell how are you going to fix accountability as also answer to the people for the scams and loot that the 40% BJP commissions, 40% commission BJP Sarkara has done. Any question, you are welcome to ask. My dear friend, we have already gone to Election Commission on multiple other issues. 1 week has passed. 1 more week will pass, no decision has come. We are actually now thinking it's futile to move Election Commission of India. We will now let the people of Karnataka decide that Mr. Modi and company and their MLAs and BJP General Secretary wishing death for the tallest scheduled caste and leaders of the poor. Is that a correct thing or a wrong thing? Let them also decide.
Sir, what is the comparison between Bajrang Dal and the Hanuman?
Welcome to K-Mall, a premium project by Kaleen Group. K-Mall is in the heart of Kolkata's electronic, garment and lifestyle hub, Khidirpur. K-Mall, which is designed as a world-class mall, is the outcome of endless effort of our experts, combined with modern superb techniques and new-age design. Book now